morning, and it's a Saturday morning. It's going to be a warm one today, so we are going to be in the pool. We were in the pool a little bit last night. It was amazing before it got dark. Before the sun went down, it got cool. But anyway, as you can see, I'm starting to hook up the sun cell, the sun shade again. So I have actually gone over here and I have put in this part right here. So it's just this hook on there on both ends down there. And then I'm gonna run it up to the side of the house over there. And I'm gonna run it to the side of this shed up here. Hopefully that will be enough to block some of these tree limbs from falling in here and give it a little bit of shade on this left side. Tree already gives it shade, so it's really not gonna be a factor there. But what I have done is I've gotten this chain right here, and I'm using it with some S hooks. So I've got this hook, oops, to shade the sun. So these are two different hooks. One's to put on here, one's to put on the chain, a little S hook, and the one that comes with it. But anyway, these are the S hooks. I think I got about you see it there, 1 inch S hooks. And then I've got 15 foot of this chain here, one for each side. And so we're gonna see if my sunshade will be this time not a fail like it was last time. I think I have higher sides, so I think it's gonna do much better this time. So I'm gonna hook it up and then we'll come back and see how it looks. Appreciate it, thanks for watching. Alrighty, so it's 11 in the morning, almost 10:45 Saturday morning, and I did it. So I hooked up the sunshade, and it's just enough to cover that spot. We'll see if it helps keep some of the limbs and trees off, as we'll know because they'll stay up inside there, and it's really not affecting the pool none. And as you see, you get the, you can see, oh, look at him go, look at him go. There goes the vacuum. He's rolling and cleaning the bottom of the pool for today, so we can get in because it's already 88 degrees, and by noon or 2 it's going to be almost 95 right in there. So we'll see. And then it kicks back out, and there he goes again. He's flowing. So good deal. I also built this. I'm still working on it. The Skamper ramp right here. That's the Skamper ramp for the dogs. And I've built these makeshift stairs that go up. Putting some more 2x4s on here, and that way they can come. The dogs can come up the stairs, come up right up here, and go on to. I can't see very good because oh, the sunlight is horrible. But you can see that they will come up and they can get on that Skamper ramp right on there and get in the pool and get out of the pool. Plus the sunshade will help maybe block some of the leaves. So we'll see how it goes. We're gonna be getting in the pool today. Make some videos that probably. Right now we're getting it cleaned up. Thanks for watching.